Lost your RAV4 key fob or need a replacement? For 2001 to 2005 models, you can program it yourself. These models use a simple RF system, unlike newer encrypted ones. The core concept is teaching your car's computer, the ECU, to recognize the new fob's 314 MHz signal. No special tools are needed, just your key and the new fob. OEM fobs work best to avoid compatibility issues. You'll use a sequence of ignition turns and button presses to enter programming mode and sync the fob. This straightforward process saves you money compared to a dealership visit. First, get into your RAV4 and make sure all doors are fully closed. Second, insert your key into the ignition. Third, cycle the key from off to on without starting the engine, typically 5 to 10 times. Check your owner's manual or online resources like AutoZone DIY videos for the exact number. Fourth, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. Fifth, release the buttons. Sixth, the doors should lock and unlock automatically, indicating successful programming. If it doesn't work, ensure all doors are closed, use a fresh battery and OEM fob. Try adjusting timing. For more help, check AI-driven forums or detailed videos online.